This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 0539. It is in like new condition. The chassis is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is a two-wheel drive. The engine is a V8 gas, 7.3 liters. Overall length is 269 inches. Overall height is 105 1/4 inch. Headroom is 72 inches. It is a Medtec module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, a new siren and speakers. It has new wheel-in LED lights and new LED lights on the interior as well. It has a new trip light, inverter and charger, and a new HVAC system. The chassis is a new Ford E450. It's a 2021 model with a 7.3 liter gas engine. The body configuration is left front L1 compartment for oxygen. It has the mounting configuration for an automatic and assisted O2 lift. O2 lift is yet to be mounted. L2 houses the inverter and charger. It also has the vacuum pump down below. Has an adjustable shelf for additional storage. It has a slide out drawer over the wheel well. L4, the left rear compartment. Double doors. It's medium height. Could accommodate an adjustable shelf if that was desired. 0539 has new aluminum diamond plate, mud guards, corner guards, rear plate, new rub rails. It also has a new aluminum frame bumper pods, and a flip up step. The load height is 30 3/4 inch. And that's before any payload is added. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas. They're Corian. There's storage below, behind, and above. It also has a fold down countertop, which can displace the left side attendant seat if additional space is needed. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It is a Type 3 configuration with walkthrough. It has a new console, a new switch panel, and new LED switches, along with the siren head. A place for radios below the switch panel, beverage holders and document holders as well. This unit has a unique HVAC system. It has central air, so you see an intake louver there, and then you see the output louvers all the way down the ceiling on both sides. LED lights on the interior, locking drug box above the ALS cabinet. ALS cabinet has 2 double doors and 2 adjustable shelves. Both compartments are accessible to the outside. It has a glove box storage, several areas, overhead cabinet above the squad bench. Has a body side window and whiteboard which can close off the window and be used for documentation. Squad bench and new upholstery throughout, along with a new floor. Right rear compartment, R4, is for backboards. The left portion has a shelf strut, which could accommodate a couple of shelves and also stair chair storage. The depth is adequate for that. R number 3, adjacent to the backboard compartment, additional storage. ALS cabinet with access in the lower portion. The above portion is closed off, but could be opened up if that was desired. The unit has 2 batteries, one under hood and one in the battery tray. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 0539, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.